Today we're doing the Green Magic. They were kind enough to send me out these nice portable solar panels because I need some good portable solar for the mallard. I don't want to mount them to the roof because I want to be able to move them around, and usually the state campgrounds around here are loaded with trees, so it's good to be able to move them around where you're at. So they sent me this out. Got a nice little package here. Here's your hookups, the MX4, and then they come with, you know, every kind of adapter you might need for generators or what have you. And then they come with parallel connectors if you're doing 2 sets of them. Eventually I'd like to do 2 sets because I'd like 800 watts. First impressions overall, very nice. Heavier than I thought, but that's not a con. They're nice, literally just magnet together. Boom. Roll them out. They all have their own stand. They are adjustable. Would that take me about a minute? They look very well made. I kind of wish the green was black, but maybe it's supposed to be bright so people see it or whatnot. The quality is nice. They're waterproof. I mean, overall, I'm very impressed. Give you a little close-up here. They're not bifacial, but they're portable. They're very convenient. You can see each one has its own stand, and they can come out far, close, which is pretty cool because then you can align them with whatever direct sunlight you got. This is kind of just an unboxing and a little show of the quality. They are very well made and seem very rugged, which is pretty awesome because I've had a few that kind of just fell apart and they were super janky. But these are all stitched very nice using good materials. And very fast setup. As you notice, I set those up very, very quick. So I'm excited to try them out once I get all the solar controllers and everything installed in the mallard for the camping trip. We'll do a live detail of how they perform. But from what I've seen, they perform very well. So I'm excited about this. I want to thank Green Magic for sending these out. It's the 400 watt portable solar panels. I'll show you how fast they close up as well. Done. About 20 seconds. Green Magic's the name, and they are in the solar game. I like how this is magnetic. I like how portable and easy it is. They'll fit right in there behind the couch. And they look slick. And they also have these holes here so you can hang it from your awning, or you can stake it. You can do whatever you want with it. But nice, compact, light. And hopefully they perform as good as they look. And from the reviews and videos I've seen in the testing, that they put out about 300, 320, 340 I've seen, which is really good for a portable solar panel. So I'm excited about it. I want to thank Green Magic for sending these out. And if you guys got any questions or want me to do any specific tests, let me know. And we'll get on it. Peace, love, and hair grease.